Oh my God. Sira talaga yung... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh fuck.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
I hope you're okay.
Another there. On the other side as well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's another car. There's the police now. Nagbangga ba? Di
Then
ko
there's a
right?
police.
There's a cop. That's recent.
Oh my God.
That's very recent.
May dumulas na truck.
I have no idea. This is not good. This is probably not.
Kung bago ka ba sa aking channel, mag-subscribe ka na dahil nag-upload ako ng videos ng aking travel. Nagpunta na ako dito, 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 at dito. At syempre, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, at syempre, ipagkalat nyo to. Pagkalat nyo. Char, basta mag-subscribe kayo, it's good for everyone. So pag marami pang nag-subscribe, mas marami pa akong mapupuntahan. And marami pa akong mapupuntahan, marami pa kayo mapapanood. Oh, edi ang gandang deal, di ba? Oh, sige na, ako na yung pupunta para hindi ka na mapagod. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog. Hi Be, good morning. It's our day 3 dito sa ating biyahe. Dito na kami ngayon sa New Mexico. Kagabi dumaan na kami ng Texas. And dito rin kami natulog sa New Mexico. And now, we're back on the road. Andito pa rin ang ating mga besties. Ito si Charlene. And si Brandon. Thank you so much, Brandon, for the energy to drive again. And syempre, ang ating alarm today, this morning, walang iba kundi si Rupert, na maaga pa lang is... Sabi niya, guys, wake up now, we need to go home. Ngayon guys, sabi ko dito, ibang-iba na talaga yung environment natin. Ngayon medyo nasa arid desert na tayo. Taray nung arid desert. Anong klase na desert yung ganito? Inaaral na namin ito dati. Arid desert na tatawag dyan.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our roots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way.
Actually, dito tayo sa lugar na parang yung mga parang pang cowboy talaga kasi desert na to. Tapos alam mo yung mga, ewan ko, parang naalala ko itong mga pelikula sa talaga. Yung parang very cowboy yan. Tapos sabi nga nila, sa mga hindi alam talaga yung mapa ng Amerika, hindi naiintindihan, yung simpleng pagkakaintindi lang nila, LA, New York, Disneyland, yeehaw! Tapos malamig. Ayaw tayo ngayon sa may yeehaw part. Yeehaw! Hindi ko makuha. Hindi talaga kasi ako pang cowboy eh. Hindi ako... gusto ko pala yung mga cowboy. Sabi nga, di ba, ang ating tagline, save the horse, ride the cowboy. Yan, ang ganda tignan, oh. Para pakaramdam ko, nasa Morocco na naman ako. Para sa Africa tayo, oh. Wow. Kanina meron ako nakitang Kanina meron ako nakitang signage ng palapit sa Las Vegas. Sa Las Vegas din, mga ghetto desert din doon, di ba? Tsaka nakakatuwa ba yung desert to, pero dahil malamig nga, may snow pa din ng onte, may yellow. Grabe, ang ganda talaga guys, nakakatuwa. Grabe, ang ganda oh. Ganda ng Amerika. Oh, ilo ng snow, guys. Wow. My God, ngayon di umuulan na ng snow. And snow lang, walang kasamang ulan. Wala ka na makita dahil puro snow na, guys. Wow. Good morning, be. Dito tayo ngayon, be, sa may bandang Albuquerque yata. Umuulan ng snow, be. Ayan, oh. Sa may New Mexico pa rin tayo. So, kakain muna tayo ngayon ng breakfast. Hindi ko alam kung bababa ito mga kasama ko. Malamig, guys. At nakakatawa dahil umuulan ng snow. Ako syempre nag-enjoy ako, pero tiis ganda ako, guys. Dahil manipis lang yung jacket ko. Balat na, be. Oh, kita na naman natin yung padibdib. Sarap ng lamig. Ay, lamig. Diyos ko, Lord. Ayun, pasok na tayo doon dahil malamig. Doon tayo papasok sa subway. O dito sa lab. Pareho lang. Pareho lang pala siya. Ako, inilaban ko, nagsapatos ako. Hindi na ako nagyabang ng tsinelas. Pasok, be.
Bulong-bulong pa na
Finally, medyo mainit dito, guys. Coffee. Doon na sa ng pizza. Dito ako. May hotdog. Mag-hotdog tayo, guys. Pero let's see muna anong meron dito sa kabila. Meron dito, may chicken. So mag-chicken ako. So ito yung ating breakfast. At saka siguro brunch na natin to. Oh, meron silang liver and gizzard. Can I have chicken biscuit? And chicken gizzard? Is it available? Yes, just medium. So ito, guys, bumili na ako ng chicken nila. And ito yung kanilang balon-balunan. Tapos ito yung chicken biscuit. Bago sa matikman muna, ano yung lasa ng balon-balunan? Makunat. Masarap sana kung may ketchup eh. Masarap sawan eh. Ha? So ayan, meron tayong sasawan, guys. Kumuha ako ng ranch. Hindi ko alam kung anong lasa na itong ranch. Basta ranch yung hinanap ko. Ranch para sa aking brunch. Okay naman. Sarap. Kasi alam ko yung ranch na parang sa mga salad ata, nakikita ko yung ranch. So tawag na sa tinapay nila dito, parang ganito. Ito. Ayan, no, tinapay. Biscuit. Siyempre, ang alam kong biscuit, parang pita, di ba? At least tama lang yung size na kinuha ko para sa sarili ko kasi hindi ako nag-over order. 7 lang ito lahat, lakad.
Sa akin, nabili ko chicken and then gizzard na kaya. Parang
Take out
wala na lang soju. Parang tagay na.
Ay, take out ako lang.
Ang paon mo, mare.
Ano gusto ng mama mo?
Fried chicken.
Wow! Pero kung tinapin nito, masarap sa akin.
Inopen yung biscuit ba yun?
Alam mo? Sarapan ako. What's your lunch?
That's recent.
Oh my God!
That's very recent.
May dumulas na truck.
Slid off.
Oh my God, grabe guys. Meron kami nakita na
But it's probably not the weather. He probably could fall asleep or something.
truck na discarrel na siya dito. Tumba na. Maybe it's because of the weather. And it's very recent lang daw, sabi nila. What's the danger in driving in snow? Slippery? What?
Yeah.
Ah,
I mean, snow's not really that bad. Ice is.
ice. Okay.
Ice, that's where you get damaged.
But for the wheels?
Yeah, it's kind of like rain. If it's real
Okay,
thick,
okay.
it'll be like slush.
Okay.
And then it'll stretch. This isn't really that. But I'm clearly not going as fast as I was when I was.
We're going to be dealing with some very gusty winds around 45 miles per hour. So we are going to be dealing with not only blowing snow, but blowing dust, especially
Look at this
from
fucking truck.
Lordsburg to Deming,
Look at his
right
butt.
along that
Look at his
I-10
ass.
corridor. So again,
Oh my god, the back of this car.
It's
covered with snow already.
Especially with those reduced visibilities. Right now
gonna
we're at
keep it
29
nice and
degrees
easy
in
here with Mountain
Albuquerque,
Dew.
along that I-10 corridor. So
Grabe, oh my god.
Aware on the roadways of some very
Kung nakikita nyo lang na maayos dyan guys, oh. Sobrang lakas talaga, it's very harsh.
Right now we're at 29 degrees in Albuquerque, 8 and teens, especially north of Interstate. A mile and a half. Farmington, you're at 7 miles. Taos at 2.5
Oh,
miles.
nakakatakot.
And Gallup now starting to see those nice visibilities.
Those are the
down to
fuckers you
about
see in the middle
Our
of the highway.
high-res future gas model doing a good job.
Ito lang nga guys yung
I
nakakatakot
mean, I
daw
could go a
dito.
little faster. These
But there's a lot of trucks.
There's less traffic in the left, so there's more crap in it. In the right, there's more in the trucks. So right now, these trucks are just coming.
They're trying to overtake.
Well, no, there's like 3 in front of me, so they're making a nice.
Okay.
I know the path I'm in until it clears up a little bit.
Grabe, hindi ko alam na, I didn't know that New Mexico is like a wintry area. Wintry? Is there a word?
Those answers is too late. Another system will begin to impact the state as we go through the next several hours. This will bring more snow and force more travel problems as well. Let's look at projected radar. Through tomorrow morning, you see the 4 cars begins to get first. Well, as US 84 and 64. Worst time is going to be between Thursday morning and Friday morning. Such a long period because we have a lot of
Slow
cold
down,
air
you stupid
in the
bitch.
way of the snow.
So guys, nahinto na tayo dito. So, are they plowing the roads? Maybe?
I have no idea. This is not good. This is probably an accident.
Hala, sarado. Sarado na ata ang daan.
As long as one lane is open, we can get through. Then it's good. We can just keep moving. Even if it's 50 miles an hour, just keep moving.
Wow, that's...
The closer we are, the more challenges that we're gonna face. That one's bad. There's
Oh
a
my
truck
God.
and a car.
Di collide?
Dito sa on the right side.
Kaya nga, nakita ko eh. Nagbangga ba? Di
Then there's a
collide?
police.
There's a cop coming.
There's a police.
Yeah, this just happened.
There's
Something over here.
I know, this one.
Over here too.
Oh my.
On the other side as well?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's another car. There's the police now.
Let's get to it before they fucking shut this down.
Yeah,
Oh my god.
closed it. Yeah.
Oh fuck.
Oh
There's
my
one
god. Oh my god. Oh,
I hope they're okay.
another there. Oh my god. Sira talaga yung... Oh my god.
Only one person.
Oh my god. Oh my god. 2 cars. Maybe 1 truck, 2 cars?
Looks like 2 trucks.
2 trucks, 2 cars.
Oh. Oh my god.
I'm just glad there's no fucking blood, right?
Yeah.
This fucking is that the same red truck? That asshole
Yes.
coming up?
Earlier.
Fuck.
Yes.
It looks like the one that came flying up.
Yes, earlier.
Yep.
Yep.
But what's dangerous, it's hard to see in your blind spot, so I wonder one of those fucking went to pass the other truck and just wrecked it.
will never die. But life unfolds in the strangest ways, and sometimes you just can't keep love alive. But I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry.
Oh my God, grabe. Ang ganda ng bundok nila dito guys, ng snow. Grabe, parang makaramdam ko na makapanood ko talaga sa mga pelikulang ganitong view. Wow. Grabe, akala ko ba yung Arizona dati, desert lang siya. Parang tuyot lang siya, brown yung kulay. Meron pala silang snow dito. Actually, pag namin kanina sabi ko, yung ano ba, New Mexico sila yung may snow, Arizona wala. Meron din pala dito, be. Bakit ba nung nagpaulan ng snow, hindi tayo gising? Wala tuloy tayong snow.
If you want to take the best of me, I won't stop you if you try. Why not take the rest of me? 'Cause all that's left are just these crying eyes. And I've tried, and I've tried.
Wow, sobrang ganda, be. Grabe, alam mo yun, feeling ko pag ulit ako dito sabi ko ng ang ganda. Sobrang breathtaking no view. Ayan guys, nagtatago ako sa araw ngayon. Mga 5 oras na makakarating na kami sa aming paroroonan. Dito ba nadaanan namin kanina yung mga gandang desert nila dito sa Arizona. As in, nakakatuwa. Tsaka nag-enjoy lang kami magpatugtog talaga ng music. Pag hindi ako nagbablog, nagpatugtog kami music. Mas wala na ako masabi. Basta ngayon, unti na lang makakarating tayo sa paroroonan natin. Ito yung mainit na part, siguro desert part na siguro to ng ng Arizona. Phoenix na kami banda eh. Wala nang yellow eh. Hindi ko alam kung malamig pa sa labas eh. Malamig pa sa labas according sa weather.
It's just a bunch of space I've tried to use to fill your place. And I've tried, and I've tried, but I just can't drink you off my mind. Since you left me, things have been so heavy. I just cry, 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 cry. I just cry, 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 cry.
So nalampasan natin guys yung problema kanina doon sa New Mexico. Ngayon nandito na tayo sa Arizona. Malamig pa rin guys at -2. Tapang, -2. Magbanyo muna kami ha. Guys, tingnan nyo guys yung mga puwet na mga sakit dito, puro yellow na oh. At dyan na nga nagtatapos itong ating video, be. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, huwag nyo kalimutang i-like, share, at syempre mag-subscribe ka na. At syempre bago matapos ang ating video, pang malakas ang shoutout muna sa ating mga channel members. Kung gusto mo rin ma-shoutout, be, tulad nila, huwag mong kalimutang mag-join lang. Click mo lang yung join button at voila! Kaya naman until next time, see you sa next video! O, teka, huwag ka mahiya. Click mo na yan, dali. Panoorin mo na yan, dali. Click, 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 click.